Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset factory settings on Greenworks Optimow S. To this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app. Inside, click on your lawnmower name, right here it's this number. Then we can find reset user settings. First click on that and then confirm the reset. You will need to enter your current PIN code. Click on OK. And all of the settings should return to factory state. Then we can click on our lawnmower again, gear icon again, then the name, and here delete the product from the app. And that way you will factory reset your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.